Have you ever wondered why clownfish are so colorful? These vibrant animals, which seem to have come straight out of a cartoon, hide fascinating secrets about marine life. If you want to unravel the charm of clownfish colors and learn more about the underwater world, keep watching! Be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any videos about the beauty and importance of the oceans. Clownfish, also known as anemonefish, are a group of fish that belong to the Pomacentridae family. They are found in tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, usually in coral reefs. Clownfish are known for their vibrant and bright colors, which range from orange and red to yellow and black. But why are these fish so colorful? The answer is a combination of factors including camouflage, communication, and mate attraction. Camouflage is an important factor for the survival of clownfish. The bright colors of clownfish help them to camouflage among the sea anemones where they live. Sea anemones are marine animals that have stinging tentacles that protect clownfish from predators. Colors of the clownfish blend in with the colors of the anemones, making them less visible to predators. Communication is also an important factor in the color of clownfish. Clownfish use their colors to communicate with each other, especially during mating. Males are usually more colorful than females, and they use their colors to attract females. Clownfish also use their colors to signal their territories and to warn other fish about the presence of danger. Mate attraction is another important factor in the color of clownfish. Colors of clownfish help to attract mates, especially males. Males are usually more colorful than females and use their colors to show their health and their ability to protect eggs. Anemonefish are one of the most popular marine animals in the world. Their vibrant colors and peculiar behavior, living in symbiosis with sea anemones, catch the attention of anyone. But what really makes these fish so special? The answer lies in their colors. Colors of clownfish are not just for beauty. They play a crucial role in the survival of these animals. The vibrant colors, such as orange, red, and yellow, serve as a warning sign to predators, indicating that the fish is toxic or has an unpleasant taste. This defense strategy, known as aposematism, is widely used in the animal kingdom, and clownfish master it with expertise. The sea anemone, which houses the clownfish, also contributes to this defense strategy. The anemone's tentacles contain stinging cells called nematocysts, which release toxins capable of paralyzing or even killing small animals. Clownfish, in turn, have developed immunity to these toxins, allowing them to live safely among the anemone's tentacles. This symbiotic relationship is extremely beneficial for both organisms. The clownfish gets protection from predators, shelter, and food inside the anemone, while the anemone benefits from the cleaning of the fish, which removes parasites and food scraps from its tentacles, as well as attracting other fish to the anemone, which feed on its tentacles. But the beauty of clownfish colors goes beyond simple aposematism. They also play a crucial role in communication between fish. The vibrant colors and complex patterns on the bodies of clownfish serve as visual signals for the identification of individuals, social hierarchies, and recognition of partners. In some species of clownfish, the coloration may vary depending on the sex of the individual. For example, in Amphiprion ocellaris, the dominant male has a more intense reddish-orange color, while females and subordinate males have more muted colors. This difference in color serves as a visual signal of their social status. The vibrant coloration of clownfish is a warning to predators, indicating that the clownfish is poisonous or has an unpleasant taste. This defense strategy, known as aposematism, acts as a deterrent to predators who learn to avoid the colorful fish. The vibrant and contrasting coloration, usually a combination of orange, red, yellow, and white, serves as a visual warning sign to predators, informing them of the potential toxicity or palatability of the clownfish. Aposematism is a common evolutionary strategy in many animals, from insects to amphibians, and has been shown to be effective in reducing predation. Clownfish, for example, has a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, which are marine animals with stinging tentacles. Clownfish are immune to the poison of anemones and use the tentacles as shelter and protection against predators. The aposematic coloration of clownfish serves as an additional reinforcement to this defense strategy, as predators associate the vibrant colors with the presence of poisonous anemones. In addition to protecting against predators, colors also play an important role in communication between clownfish. Color patterns and the intensity of colors can indicate the fish's social status, age, sex, and even mood. Colors play a vital role in the formation of social hierarchies among clownfish. In a group of clownfish, the dominant individual, usually the female, has a more intense and contrasting coloration, signaling her social status. Subordinate clownfish, usually males, have more muted colors, demonstrating their submission to the dominant female. Colors can also indicate the age of the fish. Young clownfish, which are still developing, usually have less vibrant colors than adults. The intensity of the colors can increase as the fish ages, signaling its maturation and reproductive capacity. The sex of the clownfish can also be identified by its colors. Generally, the dominant female has a more intense color. These visual signals are crucial for the social organization of the clownfish colony, which live in family groups led by a dominant female. Each member of the colony has a unique pattern of colors and markings which function as a kind of identity card, allowing individuals to recognize and communicate within the group. The social hierarchy is strongly defined by these patterns, with the dominant female displaying the most vibrant coloration and the subordinate males presenting more muted colors. This visual differentiation facilitates the maintenance of social order, reducing aggression between individuals and allowing clownfish to share resources such as food and territory more efficiently. The vibrant coloration of clownfish is the result of the presence of pigments called carotenoids. These pigments are acquired through diet, mainly by eating zooplankton and algae. Carotenoids are responsible for the red, orange, and yellow colors of the fish. The intense orange color, for example, is produced by a specific carotenoid called astaxanthin, which is found in abundance in algae and crustaceans that clownfish consume. Astaxanthin is a powerful pigment, capable of absorbing blue light and reflecting red and yellow light, giving clownfish their characteristic vibrant orange coloration. In addition to carotenoids, other pigments contribute to the variety of colors of clownfish. Melanocytes, cells that produce melanin, are responsible for black and brown colors. Melanin also plays a crucial role in protection against the sun's ultraviolet rays, acting as a natural sunscreen. Clownfish that inhabit shallower waters and are exposed to the sun tend to have a higher concentration of melanin, giving them a darker color. Clownfish that live in deeper waters with less sunlight, on the other hand, have a lighter color due to the lower concentration of melanin. Color patterns of clownfish are not static and can vary throughout the life of the individual. In response to factors such as age, sex, a pigment called astaxanthin, which is found in crustaceans such as shrimp and lobsters, gives clownfish their vibrant orange, red, or yellow coloration that characterizes them. This coloration is not produced by the fish itself, but rather acquired through diet. Clownfish feed mainly on zooplankton, which in turn absorb astaxanthin from algae, which explains the presence of this pigment in their bodies. The ability to produce vibrant colors is an example of the evolutionary adaptation of clownfish to the marine environment. Colors, which initially developed as a camouflage mechanism, have become a tool for defense and communication, ensuring the survival of these animals in a competitive and dangerous environment. Coloration of clownfish, particularly orange and red, serves as a warning sign to predators, indicating that they are toxic and unpleasant to the palate. This strategy, known as aposematism, works as a deterrent mechanism, preventing predators from approaching. In addition to defense, vibrant coloration also plays a crucial role in communication between clownfish. Colors and patterns can vary depending on the species and sex, serving as signals of recognition, attraction, and social hierarchy. For example, in some species, the male has more intense and contrasting colors than the female, signaling his dominance and fitness for reproduction. Coloration of clownfish is a fascinating example of the complex interaction between organisms and the environment. Astaxanthin, present in their diet, is a crucial component for the production of vibrant colors, which in turn contributes to the survival and reproductive success of these animals. The ability to camouflage, warn predators, and communicate through their colors demonstrates the incredible adaptation of clownfish to the marine environment, revealing the beauty and complexity of marine life. The life of clownfish, however, is not limited only to their coloration. They are social animals that live in symbiosis with sea anemones, creating a mutualistic relationship that benefits both. Understanding the colors of clownfish is an important step in understanding the importance of ocean conservation and all its creatures. But how can we help protect clownfish and the entire marine ecosystem? The first measure is to reduce the consumption of plastic, which pollutes the oceans and puts marine life at risk. Plastic, a long-lasting and resistant material to decomposition, invades the oceans and fragments into microplastics, contaminating the water and entering the food chain. Marine animals confuse plastic with food, ingesting it and suffering blockages in the digestive system, in addition to being exposed to toxins. The ingestion of plastic also causes reproductive and immunological problems, harming the health of marine fauna. The second important action is to avoid the consumption of fish and seafood from predatory fishing. Predatory fishing, characterized by overfishing and destructive methods, causes ecological imbalances and threatens biodiversity. Bottom trawling, for example, uses nets that sweep the seabed, destroying corals, sponges, and other organisms, in addition to capturing non-target species such as sea turtles and dolphins. Dynamite fishing is also a destructive method, which causes underwater explosions, indiscriminately killing fish, corals, and other organisms. We can also support organizations that work to protect the oceans. These organizations develop scientific research, promote environmental education actions, combat illegal fishing, and promote the sustainable management of marine resources. We can contribute with financial donations, participating in voluntary actions, or simply publicizing the work of these organizations. In addition, we can reduce our environmental impact on a daily basis, reducing the consumption of energy, water, and other resources. The production of energy, for example, generates greenhouse gases which contribute to global warming and the acidification of the oceans. The acidification of the oceans, in turn, prevents the growth of corals and other marine organisms, threatening biodiversity and ecosystem services. Conservation of the oceans is a global challenge that requires the participation of the tireless work of protecting the oceans, and educating about the importance of the marine environment is a crucial mission for the health of our planet. The beauty and fragility of the oceans, with their vibrant coral reefs, fascinating marine creatures, and complex ecosystems, demand our attention and urgent action. Preservation of the oceans is not limited only to the protection of marine life, but also to the maintenance of the global climate balance. The oceans absorb about 25% of the carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere, playing a fundamental role in mitigating climate change. However, increasing pollution, overfishing, and the acidification of the oceans are threatening this delicate balance, putting at risk the health of the oceans and, consequently, our own survival. Environmental education is the fundamental pillar for changing behavior and building a sustainable future. It is through education that we can raise awareness among people about the importance of the oceans, about the threats they face, and about the actions we can take to protect them. Clownfish, with their vibrant colors and peculiar behavior, are an example of the beauty and diversity of marine life. These fish, which live in symbiosis with sea anemones, are a symbol of the importance of conserving coral reefs, ecosystems that harbor extraordinary biodiversity. The loss of coral reefs due to global warming, pollution, and the acidification of the oceans represents a significant threat to marine life and the global economy. Sharing information about the importance of oceans and marine life is essential to mobilize society for conservation. Every person can make a difference, whether through simple everyday actions such as reducing plastic consumption, choosing seafood from sustainable fisheries, or supporting organizations that work to protect the oceans. Raising awareness about the importance of the oceans and the need for preservation is a crucial step in ensuring a healthy future for the planet. The beauty and diversity of marine life are a treasure to be preserved for future generations. Together, we can make a difference to protect the oceans and ensure that clownfish continue to color the seas for many years to come. If you're interested in this topic and want to learn more about marine life and how to help protect the oceans, subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. the end of the video, you'll also find a card with more interesting content. See you in the next video.